The Jubilee of Hope 2025 has come to an end. It opened on Christmas Eve 2024 when Pope Francis opened the Holy Door of St. Peter's Basilica and closed on the solemnity of the Epiphany with Pope Leo. It was the 27th Ordinary Jubilee in the history of the Catholic Church and only the second time in history to be opened by one Pope and closed by another, after the Jubilee of 1700. A holy year marked by the death of Pope Francis and the election of Pope Leo, a unique moment in the life of the Church.